First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to practice some speed math questions. Here, it is given that 36 into 34. Here, sum of these two, 6 plus 4, which will be 10. And the tens place both are same. Then what we do is the next number of 3, which will be 4. So, multiplying these two, we get 3 4 times 12. And multiplying these two, 6 4 times, which is 24. So the answer for this one is 1224. Next, here we see 38 2 times. We can easily say that it will be 76 and a 0. So answer will be 760. Next, in this type of question, here it is 25. We can write this as 100 divided by 4 into 24. 24 means 6 times 600. So we got 600 as our answer. Or else one more method I can see here is I know that 25 times will be 625, but it is not 25, it is less than -1. So subtracting 25 from this one, I can say that 600 is the answer. So this is how I can calculate two types. Okay, so answer will be 600. Next one, here this is clear that it is 31. 51 square, it is near to 50. So what we do is it is near to 50, so it is 1 more than 50. So adding 1 to 25, we get 26. And talking about 1 square, which is 0 1, so answer will be 2601 is the answer. So 2601 is the answer. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 of 68 for 1 times for 7 times. So answer will be 17. Here the squares ending with 5. What we do is 8. The next one will be 9. We do multiplication of these two. We get 8 9 times 72. And 5 square 25 is the answer. So what we get is 7225 is our answer. So 7225. This is very easy one, which is 58. This is also 67. Here in this type of question, here we see 00 divided by 50. 100 divided by 50 it means. So what we do is 100 divided by 50 means it is 2 times. 2 times of 15. Answer will be 30. So answer we got is 30. This is 3. This is 7. This is 54. This will be 898. Here we see double zeros divided by 25. So 100 divided by 25 will be 4 times. So what we have is 5 into 4. 5 into 4, which will be 20. So answer will be 20. Here in this type of questions, having multiplication with 2-digit numbers, multiplication with 99, what we do is subtract 1 from this one. We get 18. Subtract this 19 from 100. What we get is 81. So answer will be 1881. Next one, 67 2 times. 67 2 times will be 134 and it is 0. So answer will be 1340. This is why we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. The answer for this one will be 156. 64 2 times, which will be 128 and a 0. This question we already started with the starting. Sum of the unit digits is 10 and tens place both are same. What we do is the next number of 3, which will be 4. 3 4 times 12 and 4 6 times 24. Answer will be 1224. Here this type of question we already seen. The squares ending with 5. So what we do is the next number of 4, which will be 5. We need to multiply these two for 5 times, which will be 20, and 5 square, which is 25. So answer for this one will be 20, 25. This one will be 300, 400, 7, 407. Wait a second. 397. Sorry, 397. Here I can calculate this with two types. 55 times. 55 times will be 250, and 95 times 45. So 295 is our answer. Or else we can do, instead of 5, we can write this as 10 divided by 2 into 59. Sorry, it is 59. 2 times 9 times 0.5 times 0.5 and 0, this will be 5. So 295 is our answer. So this is how I can calculate 295. Here adding 10, we reach to 200. Another 100, we reach to 300. Plus 97, we reach to 397. So totally the difference between these two will be 207. 207 is our answer. Here in this type of questions, the numbers ending with 1 multiplying, then what we do is 2 3 times, which will be 6. Sum of 2 plus 3, 5, and unit digit is 1, 1. So answer will be 651. Next one, this is very easy. 6. 25% means 1/4 of 196. 4 times will be 16. 36 means 9 times. So answer will be 49. 4 times 36, 4 times 16, 32 means 8 times. So answer will be 48. I already said you, we can able to find 10% very easily, which is 94. For 5%, what we do is divide it with 2. We get 47. So answer for this one is 47. Here we see 11 and 3. It is 4. 3 4 times, which will be 12. And multiplying with 11 means separate these two, 1, 2, and sum of these two in between them. 132 is our answer. This is why we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. 14 13 times will be 182. Or else we can say that 13 plus 1 into 13. 13 times will be 169. 169 plus 13, which will be 182. So this is how we can calculate the 14 into 13. So answer is 182. Better by heart 20 into 20 tables. 50% of 88. 50% means 100% half. So half of 84, which will be 44 is our answer. 5 9 times 45, and 47 square. It is near to 50. It is near to 50. 50 minus 47. So it is 3 less than 50. So subtracting 3 from 25, we get 22. Okay, talking about 3 square, which is 09. So answer will be 2209. Next one, here the number ends with 5 and you're talking about square. So the next number of 4, which will be 5, multiplying these two, we get 25 square, 25. So answer will be 20 25. This will be 4 times 16 and 5 times 20. 25%. It is same. Okay, here see again, we see ending with 5, talking about square. The next number of 5, which is 6, multiplying these two, we get 30. 5 square, 25. So answer will be 3025. Next, this is 94. It is 100. Sorry, it is 6 less than 100. So subtracting 6 from 94 itself, we get 988. And talking about 6 means 36 is our answer. So 8836 is our answer. Here 41 square. We already seen the multiplication of numbers which are having a unit digit 1. What we do is first we multiply these two. For 4 times 16. 4 plus 4 8. Unit digit is 1. So answer will be 1681. We already seen this type of question. Here 99 means what we do is minus 1. We get 27. Subtract this with 100. We get 72. So answer will be 2772. Here percentage and we see 2 zeros means eliminate those all. So we get 3 8 times which will be 24. Answer will be 24. 53 2 times which will be 106. This will be 11. Here again we see percentage and 2 zeros. So eliminating all these 3, we have 3 14 times which will be 42. 42. Again we see 99. So subtracting 1 from this one, we get 31 and subtract 32 from 100. We get 68. So answer will be 3168. Here instead of 50, we write this as 100 divided by 2 into 79. 2 3 times 6. 19 means 2 9 times 18 and 0.5 times. Instead of point, we can eliminate 1 0. So we got 3950 is our answer. 3950. 62 2 times 124. This will be 677. 44 square. It is near to 50. How much it is less than 50 means 6 less than 50. So subtracting 6 from 25, we get 19. And talking about 9 square which is 36. So answer will be 1936. The answer for this one will be 272. 272. This will be 134. Next one. It is 6 less than 100. So subtracting 6 from 94, we get 88. And talking about 6 square 36. So answer is 8836. We already seen that we can able to find the 10% value very fastly by placing a point from the right side. One digit after right side. So 10% value is 30.5 means 20% means into 2 times. So 30.5 into 2 times which will be 60 plus 1. 61 is our answer. This will be 1 times, 3 times, 6 times. We already seen that 10% value will be 154. 5% value will be half of it. 7 times 7 times. Answer will be 77. 50% means half of 142 which will be 71. Next one. This will be 152. Again we see a number ending with 5 square. Then what we do is the next number of it 14, the next number will be 15. Multiplication of these two. I know the number of 14 into 15 which will be 210. And talking about 5 square which will be 25. So the answer for this one will be 21025. This is why we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. Here we see sum of the tens place, sum of the units place is 10, and both the tens place are same. So what we do is the next number of this one, which will be 7, we multiply these two, we get 7 6 times 42, and we multiply these two, 8 2 times 16. So answer will be 4216. Next, here everyone knows that 16 square will be 256. This will be 761. 13 square 169. Here I can divide this as 11 into 9 into 5. 9 5 times will be 45, and into 11 times. If we multiply any 2-digit number with 11, what we do is separate these numbers and place sum of these two numbers in between them. 4 plus 5 will be 9. So answer will be 495. So let's see some questions with a speed. 1/4 4 8 times 32 and 7 times 28. So 87 is our answer. Next one, here we see double zeros divided by 20, which will be 5 times. So 15 5 times, which will be 75. Next one, 193 into 2 times, which will be 386. 3860. Here 0 0 cancel, 5 8 times 40 and 7 times 87 is our answer. Here 25 4 times, 25 4 times will be 100, and left with 25 means 1 times, 41 times. 17 into 14 times, this will be 238. Here we see units place is 1. So what we do is 7 4 times 28. Sum of 4 plus 7, which will be 11. So what we do is place 1 here and 1 here. Okay, and unit digit is 1. So the answer we got is 2911. 2911 is the answer. Sorry, it is 2911. 16 into 14, which will be 224. This is why we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. 10 square 100. Instead of 00 divided by 20, we can write this as into 5. 17 5 times will be 85. Okay, next 2 16 times will be 32, and I see 14 means 7 times. 14 square 196. Instead of 5 we can write this as 10 divided by 2. So 985 divided by, instead of 5 we can write 10 divided by 2 means that 2 comes to the numerator. So 985 into 2 times, which will be 10 16 17 10 19. 1970 divided by 10, 0 0 cancel, the answer will be 195. 195. Wait a second. 5 1 times 5, 9 times 45, 7 times, sorry. Next one, 14 times 196. This will be 709 divided by 4 times. 4 9 times 36. 28 means 7 times. 97 is our answer. So here the trick for this question will be, I see a percentage, a single 0, 2 multiple and 5 multiple. What we do is 5 7 times, 2 11 times. That is the answer, 77. Okay, again we can say this like that. I can say that 50% means half of this one, or else just I have teached you one more trick, which is we see a percentage, a single 0, 5 multiple and 2 multiple. What we do is 5 1 times is 5, 2 9 times and 4 times. Answer will be 94. 16 square 256. Instead of 50, I write this as 100 divided by 2. or else we can multiply 90 into 50, which will be 4500, and 51 times, which will be 50. So we get 4550, 555, 47 square. Okay, it is near to 50. If anything, any square that is near to 50, then we need to subtract from 25. What we need to subtract is the number which is less than 50. How much less than 50? It is 3 less than 50. Subtract 3 from this one, we get 22, and here we see 3 square, which is 09. So now we are going to see 5 percentage of 1800. Percentage and double zeros cancel. 5 into 18 times will be 90. So answer will be 90. Here we see 99 again. So we subtract minus 1 from this one. We get to 45, and subtract 46 from 100. We get 54. So 4554 is the answer. Instead of 9, we can write this as 10 minus 1 into 48. 48 into 10 will be 480 minus 48, which will be 432. So answer will be 432. Here again we see percentage 2 multiple, single 0, 5 multiple. 2 4 times, 5 15 times. So answer will be 4 into 15. 60 is our answer. Next, here this will be 624. First we do divided by 2, which will be 190. 190 divided by 2 will be 95. 555. This will be 11. This will be 300. 300. 330. Next one, here it is 716. 0 cancel. 5 9 times 45 and 9 times 45. 10 percentage value will be 218. 10 percentage value 218 means divided by 2, which will be 5 percentage. 109. 109. 20 100 times. 0 cancel. 2 109 times. This will be 202. 25% means 1 by 4th. 4 1 times, 0 times, 7 times. 4 101 times. Instead of 25, we can write this as 100 divided by 4 into 108. 4 2 times 8. We left with 28 means 7 times. So what we left is 27 into 100. 2700 is our answer. 2700. If we see any number multiplying with 4, first we do multiply with 2. We get a 158. 2 times will be 116. Again multiply with 2. We get 232. So answer will be 232. 50% means half of 214, which will be 107. Next one, this will be 1558. So that's all for today. Please do comment the answer for this one. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about these videos. Okay, thanks for watching.